All right, y'all, here's another Canva quick tip. Anytime you're going through your options and you repeat the same page with different pictures, or you repeat the same picture with different font, sometimes you get a typo, or sometimes you just get a template that you need to replace. And therefore, if you click on your design, do / replace, go ahead and type find and replace text. Find the text that you want to replace. So in this template, it says www.yourwebsite.com, and you replace it with your actual website. Go ahead and click replace all, and then all you have to do is reformat if you need to. Yeah, I entered a longer one than what is normally, and I love the Barlow font because I can pick a condensed bold. I'm going to go with a semi-condensed bold on this one. Yep. Click back here, and that's what I like. I'm going to make it a little bigger because I like bada bang, bada bow.